Morning, morning. Hello, hello, everyone. Buenos días. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Okay, let's see. See what we have for today. It's gonna be yesterday's highs. Yes, pretty much. Also, pre-market highs. Pretty much the same level. And then we have pre-market low. Yesterday was a very choppy day. Very choppy, slow grind to the upside. Yeah, let me see on NQ what we have here. We have yesterday highs here. This could be a reaction level. We have pre-market lows. And then we have this little level here that can also be a reaction level. Okay. How did you guys do yesterday? I didn't trade anything at all yesterday. The market just keeps grinding, so we still have a very bullish market. Very bullish. And with that in mind, it's just waiting for pullbacks and buy the dip, pretty much. And we need to keep doing that until stops working. So far, there's no reason to short this market. We can play quick reactions here and there, but the bigger move are gonna come with on the long side. When are we gonna get a pullback to previous all-time highs? That's what I really, really want to play. Really want to play a bounce there. But we're pretty far from that level. Very far from that level. On both ES and NQ. Do we have data for today? Let's see. Today is Thursday. We do have data. We had data at 8:30, and then we do have data at 9:45. We have PMI at 9:45. Bonjour. Benvenuti. I still can't believe this entire move way above, like how we got so fast to all-time highs and how we're trading above all-time highs. Like the pullback to previous all-time highs is gonna come. I don't know when, I don't know how, but it's gonna come because it always does. And I'm waiting for it. I'm ready. I'm ready to play options there and futures too, but I really want to play a big options trade at that level. Oh, Tesla had earnings yesterday, right? I haven't checked Tesla in a while. Let's see. Oh, nothing. It didn't move at all. It's down like, I don't know, like $4 only. Not much. But this is a 340, 350. This is a very nice hold on Tesla. Then the next big level it will be here. It has a nice downtrend. But yeah, it doesn't look like the earnings were either too good or too bad. Barely move. Let's see other stocks. What's going on here? Apple. I need to clean my charts. They have too many lines. Apple is looking pretty good. It looks like it wants to go to all-time highs, retest these all-time highs levels. Yeah. This was a perfect buy opportunity. I hope you guys bought shares here on Apple. That was so easy. 244, 240, 246. Support hold last month. Yeah, very easy buy there. Let's see, Microsoft, another one. I bought a bunch of shares here at the lows. Easy buy for a long-term hold. I really want to play this gap here with options. I have an alert a little bit at 444. I want to see break retest here. Oopsie. To play this gap. That's what I want to see Microsoft doing. Mm, 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 mm. This also is a nice support level hold that also looks pretty good. Let me see Nvidia. What's Nvidia doing? Oh, nice. Really nice move here. Getting close to a major resistance level, but I do think it's gonna, if the market just keeps going, Nvidia is gonna go back to all-time highs. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see, Palantir. Another one, easy buy last month. I told you guys that I was buying this one also. Easy buy here. I do think Palantir one day it's gonna come back to all-time highs. I used to do stocks on Wednesday. Can you start doing that again? Um, Stocks on Wednesday? No, I used to do everything. If I see the market giving us good possible swing trades, I can start adding up options play again. But I told you guys when I was buying last month, I wasn't doing any options, I was buying shares. So everything's gonna depend on how the market move. The difficult thing about doing options swing trade right now is the war, like the war news. That's why I don't feel comfortable swing trading options. Hood. Let's see. And pull back to 80, 79 could be nice. Yeah, a pullback to this level. Here, this level here will be nice. That could be a nice uh pullback long opportunity on Hood. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing. Nice move here. I don't think Bitcoin is completely out of the woods, but this is a nice move here toward the 80s. I think that's why Bitcoin related stocks are starting to move. But this could be only a dead cat bounce type of move. Still not like 100% short that Bitcoin is coming back to the 100Ks uh anytime soon. Irene. Mm, I don't know. It's very choppy. This chart is extremely choppy. And I don't know anything about this stock, like fundamentals. Yeah, I don't know anything about this stock. Let me see. SMH. Whoa. Another beautiful deep buy opportunity last month. Look at this. Look at this. Now it's too late to buy, or I will even trade this one. I will definitely wait for a pullback here to previous all-time highs and for this gap. You guys know how gaps always get filled. We don't know when, we don't know how, but it always get filled. You always have a move back down to the gap. So watch out for that. I'm gonna put an alert inside the gap because I want to buy the dip whenever that gap gets filled. Yeah, crazy move here. Hola. I know Dale is moving like crazy, right? Yeah, look at this. This is insane. This bull flag here. It's crazy. And then very choppy price action here. You have this stock is moving with news. So it's kind of difficult to trade it. Yeah, it needs a pullback for us to play Dale. Let's see, and you another one with a gap that it needs to get filled. So that's how I play gaps, guys. I go through a bunch of charts and then I see if I see a gap that I'm interested in playing. Like this one is too small. I know it's $20. It's a $20 gap, but it's not that big for a stock that it can move $20 in a day, right? Mm. So yeah, go through charts and see if you if you can if you see any big gaps on a chart, just put the gap, put alerts, and then forget about it. And then one day you're gonna have that alert and then you're gonna see, oh, it's a gap. Oopsie. It's a gap. Then you put an alert and then forget about it. Just keep day trading, and then whenever you have a gap, that's where you wait for a break and retest, and then you play it. Like here, I'm gonna put an alert here. I want to see this gap getting filled, and then it's when I want to play the upside continuation. What happened yesterday? I didn't feel like trading yesterday, and I think I took a good day off because the intraday price action was very choppy. And honestly, guys, I don't feel comfortable um trading constantly trading at all-time highs. Okay. I don't like trading at all-time highs. Like I need a pullback to feel more comfortable going long on this market. But I know this market can just keep going higher and higher without me and without giving me a good pullback. Okay, the market is open. Ding, ding, ding. Good luck, everyone. Remember, we have data at 9:45, so in 15 minutes. Yeah, like the past few days we're having we had very strong move to the upside, and now we can see how the market is starting to do like inside candles on the daily. So that means it's starting to get tired, which is pretty normal. Like we need like the healthy thing to wait is for pullbacks. At least one red day, please. Okay, we're getting a little reaction on Nvidia. 2 3 reaction, that was pretty good. I was around yesterday highs also. Apple is holding. We have QQQ holding the VWAP. Same thing with SPY. You guys want to hear some music? Sí. Okay, nice hold here. To enter any stocks that I'm looking to enter more long play. I mean, most of my I bought a lot last month. I still think HIMS is a good buy for a long-term play, like a year long, 2, 3, 5 years hold HIMS. Same thing with Hood. But I already bought a lot last month. I bought Apple, Microsoft, Oracle, Palantir, HIMS, Hood. I bought Bitcoin. I added more Oracle. SMH also. I bought a bunch of SMH. Remember, the best buys is when everyone is panicking and the market it's been down a lot. The market last month went down like 6%, maybe a little bit higher, 7%. That's when you need to buy. Not when the market is making new all-time highs every day. It looks like we're gonna go for pre-market highs here. Yeah, let's see how we're gonna react to pre-market highs. We have data in 4 minutes. Break and retest the bomb. Yeah, that's the oldest. Like, that's been around forever. It became like very popular with the Forex guys. But that's the old like break of resistance, break of a level, and then retested. In a swing trade, I already talked about that. Okay, let's see how we're gonna react here on NQ. Apple is very weak right now. Nvidia is going. And we have data in 8 seconds. Okay. So far, we're reacting pre-market highs here on NQ. Or not. Yes, it still has more room to go here. NQ looks like one. Ooh, look at that U-turn on Nvidia. That's why NQ is so strong now. Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to break out here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So now if NQ can really hold here, we look for pullback long here. Whoa, okay. We have EF right at resistance. And we have NQ above resistance. That's an ugly candle on NQ. Ugly reaction candle so far. I want to see a strong bullish candle here to play the upside continuation, but it looks like it's reacting. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Eee. Yikes. That's no bueno. What an ugly fake out there. Okay. Very tricky price action at this level here. And we have ES right under this resistance. I kind of like for a long here. But I'm gonna wait for a clear hold. I like how NQ is fighting here. Yeah, to play longs, we need a clear hold of pre-market highs here on NQ. No, thank you, V. Yes. Like the video, guys. Yeah, we're still reacting. We still no clear breakout here. The previous 5-minute candle was an ugly fake out candle. We still have ES under pre-market lows. We have NQ fighting, I'm sorry, pre-market highs. We have NQ fighting pre-market highs also. It looks kind of weak, but at the same time, it just keeps holding. Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient and wait. Okay. Thank you. It's a little bit weaker than ES. Thank you. It's moving a very small range here. Apple is turning around, Nvidia is pulling back. Nvidia could be pulling back to pre-market highs or the VWAP. Okay. Okay, the Q is right at the VWAP. Can it hold it? It looks like it wants to. This is a very ugly 30-minute candle on NQ. Okay. Ugly price action so far. It looks like the market did not like at all data. What is this thick red line? Just resistance. sometime explain how to choose this resistance. I already explained you guys a bunch of times, and I also have a video explanation. An explanation video how I do that, how I do my support and resistance. Go to my not this one. Go to my channel videos and then support and resistance video here. It's a 15-minute video where I explain you guys how I do my supports and resistance. There you have it. Panahuacuco. Too early to be out of here. But yeah, I don't like this price action so far, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. The market, it's only been open for 30 minutes. We can wait more. We can wait a little bit more. By the way, Apex is right now 90% off, plus only $69 for the PA for the 50K accounts. The 50K accounts are 90% off, plus only $69 for activation fee. You guys want to see me playing Peekaboo? I played yesterday and I played really, really good. I got second on a little championship that we did yesterday. But I'm not that good. Yikes. Look at that ugly candlestick. Yeah, I don't like anything so far. Unless we can hold here. If we can hold here, I kind of like it for more upside. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. It's gonna stop me out. Let's see. Yeah, I got stop out there. I'm gonna try it again. These long wicks are telling me that the market wants to hold here. I'm looking for a move back to here. If we can hold this little level here. Yeah. How am I so confident and comfortable? I've been trading for almost 9 years or for 9 years, so having a red day being down is part of the process. Nvidia is losing the VWAP. I don't like that. ES is looking definitely way better than NQ. Okay. We're still fighting these levels. Not looking too hot. Well, you gotta do you. Each one to their own risk management, to their own bank account. So you gotta do what you feel more comfortable doing. That's why nobody should be following anyone blindly. You gotta do you. Okay, I got stop out there. My stop loss is my levels. My stop loss are my levels. Look at that fake out. Look at that fake out. I guess that the level should be around here. Looking at these wicks. Yes, definitely looks like it wants to retest yesterday's highs. Yeah, ugly price action, guys. I'm gonna wait to see if ES can go here and see how it's gonna react, or wait for a pullback to pre-market low here on NQ. I was trying to go long because looking at the 30-minute candles on ES, I kind of like these for a possible push back to this area here. That's why I wanted to play longs here. Look at these, how it's been holding here. I can see NQ going back above here and retest this 80 level. But the wicks, the wicks are too long and kicking me out of the trades. Maybe trading it with a smaller size with a few micros only and giving it like a bigger room to my stop loss would have been better. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and see if we can get possible better price action, maybe. But this is starting to look like yesterday. An inside day with ugly price action and a tiny range. And NQ definitely weaker than ES. The problem with playing reactions on this market is the reactions are very short-lived. Like you have like quick reaction, then right away you have big push to the upside. The QQQ keeps reacting the VWAP, and yeah, and SPY keeps holding the VWAP. Mm. What an ugly price action day. Hmm. Nvidia is about to give back the entire move. Who has my 101 mentorship? You can go on my Discord and see the testimonials there. Okay, I'm gonna answer your DM, Steve. Uh, Yeah, guys, having a red day is part of trading. Like, the thing is, like, not blowing up your accounts and not having more red days than green days, or bigger red days than green days, right? You can even have more red days than green days, but if you're gaining more on your green days and you're losing a little bit on your red days, you can still be profitable. And you gotta know your numbers. Like, for me, I know that I'm 70% right on my trades, and whenever I'm wrong, I do have bigger red days than green days, but because I'm 70% right, I'm profitable. So yeah, the market's doing nothing, pretty much nothing. NQ keeps holding support, but it's a very ugly price action here. ES also ugly price action, but it just keeps slowly going higher. NVIDIA is very weak, so I think that's why NQ is having so much trouble going higher. I think I had a good idea going long here, but I got fake out twice. I still think NQ is gonna go for this resistance. Yeah. Sometimes it's like that. That's real trading. Look at that. That hurts, not gonna lie. But it is what it is. I have a free course, so you can go and watch those videos. Am I from USA? No, I'm Venezuelan. This hurts. Freaking NQ. Freaking NQ. Like I said before, losing a trade is, or having a red trade week, month, it's part of the game. Like, you gotta get used to it, to losing. But you gotta be a good loser. What I mean is, if you have a red day, just let it happen. Understand what's going on. Don't do revenge trade. Don't blow up your account, and you'll be fine. It's all about being patient and understanding that this is for, I'm here for a long game, like for a long-term game. Like, I don't want to blow up my account. It's okay having a red day, even a red week. But at the end of the day, if you are patient enough to understand that it's okay, I'm able to gain back these numbers here on the next few days. And yeah, the market is always gonna be there. If you don't blow up your account, you're gonna have a lot more opportunities to make money. It's all in your mind. It's all your psychology. Some months can be more difficult than others. This market is not easy. Last month was extremely taxing. That's why I took 2 weeks off last month. Because I had a few red days, a few green days, but I felt like very stressed coming here and trading, especially doing it live with people watching me. I'm putting even more stress into my trading. So I decided to take a few weeks off, which is fine. You're not gonna die. The market is not gonna go away if you don't trade for a few days. And then you can come back with a better mindset, more calm. Like, I think days like look at my day today, right? I was right on the direction that I was taking the trades, but I got a stop out twice. Only to watch the market doing what I thought it was gonna do, right? So what am I gonna do here? I just need to be okay with having a red day, unless I see an A+ setup coming my way. But if not, I need to be okay with being red for the day, even though my trade would have worked and I would have been very green if it wasn't because I got fake out here and here. You stay home with margaritas? I need a margarita and stay with the flow. Yeah, I do think too. Now we're holding these highs here on NQ. Yeah, so the problem with this type of price action is that you have candlesticks being very long, right? Like look at this one, right? That's an indecision candle. But look at the long wick at the top and then the long wick at the bottom. That's easy trappy, taking you out of this trade. This price action is very slow. Ugly, fakey, and very slow. Yikes. Yeah, I don't like this. Look at that ugly reaction there. Meanwhile, yes, just keep going higher. You know it's an ugly day when you have these type of 30-minute candles here. This is today. Look at these three 30-minute candles here. That's ugly price action. My strategy is price action. Okay, so I'm gonna look for one more trade if I can find one more trade. I think ES is cleaner than NQ today. NQ's been extremely choppy, no clear direction. ES just keeps grinding to this pre-market highs level and yesterday highs level. I want to see it going a little bit higher, and then we'll see if it's gonna react here. The white line here, it's yesterday's highs. It can go like this, or it can go like that. Yeah, you guys are watching my 30-minute and 5-minute charts on ES and NQ. And if I take another trade, it's gonna be with 20 Apex accounts. You're watching both Trade of 8 and Trading View. You can see both on my screen. I need more coffee. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna get more coffee. Okay, I'm back. Really nice grind to the upside. Oh my god. Sadly, I got fake out here. But I'm happy that I had a good read. I knew the market was gonna come back and retest these heights. So we got a good read here. You're still holding, David? That's awesome. You holding Enki or ES? Yes, nice. Where do you get out? I'll be taking profits at yesterday's highs. And then maybe hold a couple of runners to see if we're gonna break out here. You can explain it in multiple accounts in UD. Yeah. I do have a video where I explain why I'm trading with props. It's this one. Full guide on how to make money trading futures prop firms. Here's the link. Okay. I'm trading on TradingView. I'm sorry, Trade-O-Bait. And now we're not even getting a pullback. Yeah, you can trade 20 account from Apex on Trade-O-Bait. On Trade-O-Bait, you can trade on groups by prop firm. So with Trade-O-Fi, you can only trade 5 accounts. With Trade-O-Bait, you can trade up to 20 accounts. TPT up to 5 accounts. Lucid up to 5 accounts. Same thing with my funded future. Bro, give me a pullback. Give me a pullback, thank you. Okay, can I get a little bit more downside here? Okay. Oh, a little bit lower. Yes, please. Okay. I want EF to go a little bit lower so I can add one more. So far, EF is holding really, really nicely previous day's highs. I think the pullback here will be really nice. Same thing with NQ here. Now NQ is way stronger than ES. Okay. Come on. Tesla had earnings yesterday, so you gotta give it. I always like to give it like 1 or 2 days after earnings, so you can really know what's the next move. Okay, so we have NQ, PT heat, and this is all-time highs on NQ. Is the market gonna make a new all-time high today? Or we're just retesting all-time highs? I think it's funny how ES was way stronger than NQ all morning, but now we have NQ being way stronger than ES. Look at that NQ reaction. I'm so mad that freaking NQ stopped me out here. Okay, yes, can you start going? Come on, give me all-time high also. Apple is very, very weak. Bum, bum, bum. Come on, yes, go. Go already. Go. Now we could get this. Or maybe just like this. Fat green on NQ, nice. You guys made money with NQ today. I'm happy for you. Also, the problem today is we had Enki doing one thing and ES doing another thing completely different, right? We had Enki in the morning being very weak, pulling back, very choppy, and we had ES just grinding slowly to the upside. Now we had, and then we have NQ being very strong, and then we had ES slowly pulling back. Now we have NQ right at all-time highs resistance, and we have ES holding support. I'm gonna sell one here, one contract. Nice trade. Let's see if we can have a retest at all-time highs on ES. And I'll be all out there. Bum, bum, bum. Guys, this is a perfect example of how important it is to be patient and not get crazy, even though I should have gotten crazy when we saw this entire move here on ES, on Enki, I'm sorry. I got fake out twice trying to play this exact move on NQ. But I was patient enough to wait for another good setup, or wait for a good setup, because here NQ was choppy and it was very easy to get fake out on this price action here, right? On NQ. And then I understood that ES was definitely cleaner than NQ today, and I just needed to wait. wait to see if I could get a nice break and retest play on ES. And that was exactly this. We had a beautiful, beautiful breakout and then pull back, and now we're having a push. Let's see if we can push towards all-time highs here. It's all about being patient and really understanding price action. But here it's gonna get very tricky with NQ at all-time highs. Can it break at all-time highs? Maybe, based on what we have seen the market doing lately. Probably, most likely, it's gonna make a new all-time highs. We'll see. But it's definitely gonna get tricky here. You'll buy it on Point Main Lecheria? Nice! Man, is NQ gonna do a new all-time highs? I think we're already at, yeah, we made a new all-time highs here. But is it gonna really break out? I kind of want to buy NQ and set and forget that at least one micro or something like that. These are funded accounts. Whenever I'm trading evals, I tell you guys. I tell you always when I'm trading evals. Come on, yes, go retest all-time highs. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, yes. When you have money, then why funded accounts? Why not? Funded accounts give you the opportunity to leverage your money. You pay only like 150 bucks to be able to use 2500. Why not? Why not take advantage of that? And if you don't understand what's the positive side of using funded accounts, go and watch my video where I explain you guys why it's so good using prop firms. Here is the video. Go watch it. Yeah, guys, beautiful trade. Sadly, I got fake out by NQ earlier. That would have been a beautiful, beautiful trade also. But it's okay. It's okay. We came back. I'm green for the day. Come on, Ian, just push here. Do it. My trade-away template. I don't know how to do that. I think you just move around. You just click and move it around. Okay, we have NQ having trouble here at all-time highs. You have Nvidia pulling back. I kind of feel like taking my profits here. Please make buying, selling arrows on your chart. I will say, please stop complaining. Please stop saying, telling me what to do. You've been like that like the entire stream. You're getting annoying. Ah, thank you for watching. Yeah, you need to chill. Yeah, really nice move to the upside here on both ES and NQ. We keep making higher highs and higher lows. I'm waiting for ES to hit all-time highs again. Like the video, guys. Help me with some likes, subscribe. Beautiful comeback here for me. I think the market has a big inverse head and shoulder. I was looking at SPY here. Let me show you guys. This is a big inverse head and shoulder. If it breaks above all-time high, we're gonna have a boom boom day. Big boom boom day. Okay. Nice hold here on ES. Enki also trying to hold all-time highs at support. Pretty good. You know what, guys? I'm gonna take my profits here and I'm done. I'm done. I like my day. Beautiful, beautiful trade here on ES. I do think ES is gonna try to retest all-time highs, but I'm good. 3 trades today. 2 ugly fake outs on NQ, 1 beautiful ES trade. Okay, you're getting so annoying. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And then ending my day green. Let's see. Let me see how much I made today. Okay. I lost 5K on this Tradeify account, and I made let's see, almost 10K on these Apex accounts. So I'm up like a little bit over 4K today. Yeah, I'm done. I think it's a pretty good day. And I think it's a very good exit. Yeah. I don't like how NQ is having so much trouble here. I think I didn't want to give back my profits on ES, pulling back all the way down here to maybe keep going higher, or maybe just not being able to hit all-time highs. So really nice trades today, and I'm done. I'll see you guys. I don't know if I'll be here tomorrow again. For sure on Monday. Tomorrow is Friday, right? I'll be here tomorrow just because I skipped yesterday's stream. So I'll be here tomorrow. So I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye.